Gast Rotary Vane compressors are used in a variety of applications and provide years of reliable service. Proper preventative maintenance procedures using genuine Gast replacement parts eliminates unplanned downtime, avoids costly repairs, and provides trouble-free performance. By following the step-by-step instructions in this video, the recommended maintenance procedures for this product are simple for anyone to conduct. Additionally, Gast has a network of authorized service centers that can conduct the recommended maintenance as well as more in-depth service procedures on your products if necessary. Before starting the recommended maintenance on your product, contact your local Gast distributor with the model number and to request the appropriate service parts that fit your unit. A list of Gast distributors and authorized service centers can be found on the Gast manufacturing website. Before conducting any maintenance on your Gast product, make sure that it has been properly isolated from the electrical power supply and that the air pressure in the system has been relieved. Always wear suitable clothing, eye protection, and safety shoes when servicing your product. Refer to the Gast Operation and Maintenance Manual for detailed safety instructions. While this video covers the preventive maintenance procedures for Gast 23 Series Rotary Vane compressors, the procedures are similar for all Gast Rotary Vane compressors. You will need a few tools to perform this maintenance. Be sure to have pliers, a rubber hammer, a ratchet, a 7/16 inch socket, a 3/8 inch socket, and a torque wrench. Let's get started. Remove the filters from the front of the unit using pliers and set them aside. Remove the 5 bolts from the muffler box using a 7/16 inch socket. Tap on the muffler box with a rubber mallet to remove the muffler box. Do not use a screwdriver. Discard the gasket. Remove the 6 bolts from the end plate using a 3/8 inch socket, then remove the end plate. Do not take the unit apart any further. You do not want to remove the body, rotor, or motor bolts, as this will change the internal clearances of the unit. Inspect the vanes, noting the direction of the beveled edge, and remove. Clean the rotor and the inside of the body using Gast AH255D flushing solvent to remove any carbon dust buildup on the rotor. Gast AH255D is a specially formulated solvent that won't degrade the carbon vanes. Replace the vanes, making sure the beveled edge is facing the correct way. Replace the end plate and torque bolts to 110 inch-pounds. Install the new gasket. Replace the muffler box. Make sure the gasket lines up with the edge of the muffler box. Plugged filters restrict inlet airflow and increase the operating temperature of the unit, which can reduce life expectancy. To keep your product operating at a normal temperature, replace the old felt filter elements with the new elements provided in the service kit. Over time, the O-rings on the filter end caps can begin to degrade, which could compromise the seal and allow particulates to be ingested. To prevent this from occurring, remove the old O-rings from the end caps and replace them with the new O-rings in the service kit. Reinstall the end caps into the unit. Be sure not to over-tighten them. Torque the bolts to 110 inch-pounds and retighten the end caps if necessary. Your Gast Rotary Vane compressor is now ready to be put back into service. Like any high-performance equipment, regular service and the use of genuine parts are essential to keeping your Gast Rotary Vane compressor running at its optimal performance. Thank you for choosing Gast products. For more information, visit www.gastmanufacturing.com.